We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move. Anyway, we didn't get a really good trade setup as what we expected. And whoever got the trade by having entry above this top, they should take out the trade, or because the way it's moving is really corrective. That means they shouldn't be in the trade. Anyway, we don't need these lines anymore. And the only thing is still we can use these targets. And as we can see, the price broke the previous top. If we move to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. Now we want to see what's the next. Whether we can look for buy or not, the only thing is if we want to look for buy, we're looking at this one, this correction. If we get any trade setup, still we can look for buy, but any buy if we get is a short-term trade. Unless this one turn to drop some more, we look for this flat. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. We move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, you can expect the price to consolidate here, but mostly we're looking for reversal. This is what we mentioned. And if you move to forward chart, the only things I need to highlight here, even in my last analysis, most I highlight, even in most of the charts, we have the similar movement about this flat. That means we have been looking for buy since the price was within this move. And this is what we get. But right now, if we want to look for buy and continuation, we should know that I don't want to say that is at the top of this correction, but we have the opportunity to possibility to look for this one as a flat in relative to this for one more drop, or at least deeper correction before we look for continuation. That's why whoever get a trade within this move, they should start to book profit. And even based on 1 hour chart, if we're looking for buy, we should have the proper management. And even based on forward chart, even if you want to look for this one as a flat, we don't have the confirmation for the price to drop. Anyway, if we get the sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us really good trade setup. But we don't have the confirmation, as I mentioned, based on forward chart. The only thing is based on 1 hour chart, we see the divergence. Still, we can look for buy, but any buy from now is a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. And right now, we're looking at this. If this one drops some more, maybe we can look for this one as a flat. How about if this one give us a sharp move, either from here or higher, give us a sharp move down, the price drop, and it start to give us a correction. If we see this kind of the move, for those traders, they have a trade within this, they should at least book some profit. And this is where we can look for reversal. But as I explained, based on forward chart, we don't have any confirmation for the price to drop. Still, we can look for continuation. But if we get any trade setup, is a short-term trade. Anyway, the update for this video is whoever get the trade above by having entry above this, they should take out the trade. And those traders, they get the trade within this move, they should book some profit. Maybe they move their sub loss somewhere around this correction. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.